guys, welcome back to the channel. Been a lot going on. We had a big snowstorm which dumped just literally feet of snow on us since the last video I put out. Oh, look at that ice, so beautiful. And then we had a rainstorm on top of that. I've been watching some of the other channels too. They've been having problems with it too. Oh no, that's absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? It is pretty. If the sun would come out, it would just be all silver. But it's not forecasted to. Beautiful day. Not too cold. It's going to get cold though, of course. So we had to cancel the ice fishing trip, John, Shannon, we had to cancel that. Like I said, I was watching some of the other channels, Matsukosa outdoors. I know they got about 3 feet up there. He's not far from me. They got damn near 3 feet of snow. We got over 2 here. So we had a lot of snow, and then the rain broke out yesterday, and we had to deal with that. And my mother, those of you who are subscribers know her well. She's had a sports shop, she does, her and my father, and I've run it for over 40 years. Lucky Sports Shop. She fell yesterday, broke her hip. My little mama's all right. She just needs surgery. It was a pretty bad break. So, yeah, there won't be much going on for a little while until we get all this squared away. But, she's okay. She is okay. She's just hurting, of course. She's got shipped this morning to Marquette. They wouldn't ship anybody anywhere last night. The state police said there would be no travel except absolutely essential, life-threatening, because there was that much ice, rain. But like I said, she's fine. I sent her up this morning. I talked to her on the phone. Her spirits are up. She understands it's going to be a long rehab process. Be careful, people. Come on. Be careful out there. Don't get hurt. So yeah, she'll have surgery up there. She'll be all right. But yeah, with these back-to-back storms, it made it kind of tough. A lot of the other channels had the same problem. I am outdoorsy. I watched them guys. They were digging out their shelter. There's a lot of snow. We really got hammered this time. But it happens this time of year. We live in the north. We understand. Yeah, my main thing here is just, y'all be careful. That's the main thing. Be careful. You know this time of year it gets slush on the roads. Don't be passing each other. That's a quick way to die. It happens every year. Playing around on the ice. Just please be careful. All right. I think I'm going to have me a little fire in the pit and just relax for a while. All right. Y'all be safe. Love y'all. Be good.